Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Gardening with SNKM. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. If you are someone who loves decorating your home with indoor plants, adding greenery to every corner, and creating a calm environment around you, then you are going to love today's topic. We're talking about a plant that is stylish, very easy to care for, and comes with so many hidden benefits: aloe vera. Whether you live in a small apartment, a spacious home, or are designing a new workspace, aloe vera is the perfect indoor plant you should never ignore. It helps purify your air, brings a fresh, natural look to your decor, and even supports skincare and minor health needs at home. You can literally grow a healing station inside your living room. So if you want to bring a little nature inside your home without spending too much time on care and maintenance, stick with me, because today, aloe vera is going to become your new best friend. We will explore some creative styling ideas, the best places to position aloe indoors, how to care for it properly, and some surprising aloe vera benefits you may never have heard before. So grab your gardening excitement and let's begin this refreshing journey together. Why aloe vera is perfect for home decor. Let's first understand why aloe vera has become one of the most popular indoor decorative plants today. One amazing thing is, you don't have to be a gardening expert to grow aloe vera successfully. It simply knows how to survive and thrive. Aloe fits into any home theme beautifully, whether your house is modern and minimal, colorful and boho, rustic and traditional, or even a deluxe-style interior. The beautiful fleshy leaves immediately catch attention and brighten up any dull space. The green color also brings calmness and relaxation to your eyes and mind. And unlike many plants, aloe doesn't demand high maintenance. You don't have to water it every day, you don't need special fertilizers, and it won't punish you if you forget about it for a few days. Aloe also has air-purifying qualities, helping to remove toxins like benzene and formaldehyde that come from furniture, paint, electronics, and other daily things around us. So if you want a plant that looks stylish, cleans your air, and doesn't trouble you, aloe vera is the perfect winner of indoor decor. Best places to keep aloe vera indoors. Now let's explore some of the best places to keep aloe vera inside your home so it can grow well and look stunning at the same time. Starting with your living room, place aloe vera near a window where sunlight enters regularly. It instantly becomes a natural showpiece that adds life to the center of your home. In the bedroom, aloe vera helps improve air quality while you sleep. You can keep it on a bedside table or a small stand close to the window. In your kitchen, aloe looks adorable on countertops or windowsills. Plus, you have fresh aloe gel right there if you need it for a quick burn or skincare. If your bathroom has enough light, aloe vera can make the space feel like a spa, fresh and luxurious. And don't forget your office desk or study table. This small green friend reduces stress and focus while working. Wherever you choose to keep aloe vera, one essential rule must always be followed. Aloe loves sunlight. It needs bright light every day, so choose a place that receives sunshine for at least a few hours. Aloe vera styling ideas and pot selection. Now comes one of the most interesting parts: styling your aloe vera so it doesn't just sit there, but actually becomes part of your home decor theme. The pot you select plays a major role. If your home has a modern and elegant vibe, use white ceramic pots for a clean look. If you prefer organic and natural aesthetics, terracotta pots are a perfect match. They also help aloe roots breathe better. Adding decorative pebbles on the top of the pot gives a neat and premium finish. If you want more impact, group 3 or more aloe plants together to create a mini indoor garden corner. This instantly becomes a conversation spot in your home. Small aloe varieties like Aloe juvena can even be placed in hanging pots to create a unique vertical design. And here's a beautiful idea: combine aloe vera with other succulents like jade, harwathia, or sedum to make a cute tabletop arrangement that looks like a tiny desert paradise inside your home. Aloe vera will always shine. Now let's talk about how to keep your aloe vera healthy and happy for years. Even though aloe vera is known as a low-maintenance plant, giving it the right basic care makes a huge difference in its growth and overall appearance. The most important rule to remember is never overwater. Aloe vera stores water inside its thick, fleshy leaves, so it does not need frequent watering. Always check the soil first and water only when it is completely dry. Indoors, watering once every 10 to 15 days is usually enough. Overwatering is the biggest mistake people make, and it can easily lead to root rot and plant damage. So when it comes to aloe vera, less water is always better. Using the right soil is equally important. A well-draining soil mix, such as a cactus or succulent mix, allows excess water to drain out quickly and keeps the roots healthy. Aloe vera loves bright light, so place it near a sunny window where it can receive at least 3 to 4 hours of sunlight every day. This helps the leaves stay firm, green, and upright. To keep the plant looking neat and fresh, remove any dried or damaged leaves from time to time. This not only improves its appearance, but also encourages healthy new growth. One of the most exciting things about aloe vera is how easily it multiplies. As the plant matures, it produces small baby plants, also called pups or offsets, around the base of the mother plant. When these babies grow a little bigger, you can gently separate them and plant them in a new pot. And just like that, you have a brand new aloe vera plant. These baby plants are perfect for gifting to friends and family or decorating more corners of your home. And the best part is, it's completely free. Now let's talk about why aloe vera is often called a medicinal plant. The clear gel inside its leaves works like a mini home first aid kit. It is excellent for soothing sunburns, healing minor cuts, reducing skin irritation, calming acne, and moisturizing dry or damaged skin. Aloe gel is also widely used for hair care as it helps nourish the scalp, reduce dryness, and add shine to hair. You can simply cut a fresh leaf, extract the gel, and apply it directly, or even use it in easy DIY skincare and hair care routines at home. Beyond beauty and healing, aloe vera also helps improve your living environment. It regulates indoor humidity, keeps the air fresher, and even helps reduce heat naturally. So with aloe vera, you don't just add greenery to your space, you add wellness, healing, and happiness to your daily life. So friends, this is how you can decorate your home beautifully with aloe vera while enjoying its air-purifying power, healing benefits, and easy care nature. Aloe vera is affordable, stylish, and a long-lasting indoor companion, making it perfect for beginners as well as experienced plant lovers. If you already have aloe vera at home, I'd love to know, where do you keep it and how do you style it? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if you're planning to add aloe vera soon, I hope today's video gave you some great inspiration. If you enjoyed this video and want more indoor gardening tips, decor ideas, and plant care guides, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gardening with SNKM. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay green, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next plant-filled video.